Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer files using Dropbox Transfer links, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Dropbox website. Log into your Dropbox account using your email and password. Once logged in, locate the transfer option in the main menu on the left. Click on Transfer to access the file transfer feature. Now, click on the Create a Transfer button. In the pop-up window, you can drag and drop files or click on the Choose Files button to select files from your computer. Select the files you want to transfer. After choosing the files, you will see a list of the selected items in the transfer window. You can include a message if you wish by typing it into the Add a Message field. Next, click on the Next button located at the bottom right corner. In the next step, you will see the transfer link setting. You have the option to set an expiration date for the link if desired. Adjust any additional settings as needed for your transfer preferences. Once you are satisfied with your settings, click on the Create Link button. You will now see a confirmation screen with your transfer link. You can copy the link by clicking the Copy Link button. With the link copied, you can now share it via email, messaging apps, or other platforms. Your recipients can click on the link to access and download the files securely. Monitor the status of your transfer through your Dropbox account if needed. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred files using Dropbox transfer links. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.